The other ways to bring changes by heating or cooling is the first one. Heating and cooling are also bring about changes. For example, land and sea breezes occur due to heating and cooling of land and water. Evaporation and condensation occur due to heating and cooling of water and water vapor respectively. This results the water cycle in nature. Suppose from water bodies during a hot summer season the water evaporates and it makes cloud, which when become heavy, then rainfall occurs. So this is the simplest form of water cycle, but the process of water cycle brings about because of heating and cooling. And another example is object like metals expand on heating and contract on cooling. When we heat a metal, it will expand, and after cooling it will contract. So you must have seen your mother placing the metal lid of a tightly closed jar in hot water to open it. She is actually expanding the metal lid by giving it some heat. This property of metal, that is property of expansion by heating, is used to cover the wooden wheels of bullock cart with iron rims. The size of iron rims is kept slightly smaller than the wooden wheel to fit the iron rim tightly around the wooden wheel. The iron rim is heated, it causes it to expand. This makes it easy to pull the iron rim over the wooden wheel. Upon cooling, the rim contracts and fits tightly around the wooden wheel. A similar look at the picture. This is the wheel, and when it is this is the wheel and this is the iron rim, and the iron rim, when it is prepared, it is kept slightly smaller than the wooden wheel. Upon heating, this metal rim expands, and then this hot metal rim is fixed along the margin of the wooden wheel. Upon cooling, this iron rim, this metal rim will contract and exactly fits the wheel. The same property is followed in case of fitting wooden handles on tools like spades and plows used for digging the soil. The tools have an oval shaped metal ring into which a wooden handle is fitted. To fit the handle, the ironsmith heats the metal ring. The ring expands and wooden handle fits easily onto the hot ring. On cooling, the ring contracts. This fits the handle strongly in the ring. Okay. Another changes may occur due to applying pressure. Soft solids like rubber, sponge can change their shape when pressure is applied to them. And by mixing also changes may come. Changes can be brought about by mixing things. For example, when sugar is mixed in water, a sugar solution is obtained that brings change, though this is a reversible change. When quicklime is mixed in water, slaked lime is obtained, which is irreversible change. Okay, so there are two examples of how we can bring change by mixing. One is reversible change and another is irreversible change.